Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the pound dollar, I mean, we are definitely still in a downtrend on the daily. We do not have a breakup, but these bullish candles right here definitely do not tell me that the market's going up in any significant way. And really, it kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3. Maybe this is a 4. Maybe it's eventually going to end up pushing down again for like a wave 5. So no real evidence on these higher time frames that the market is really trending up in any significant way. Now, obviously, momentum is up right now, so you can be looking for longs that sort of time frames potentially. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, we do have a break of structure on roughly the 2 to 4 hour time frame right here. Now, there is a chance that this is like an expanding flat, something like this. So just keep an eye on it because it could end up making another wave to the upside. But with this break of structure, we have to be cautious because the best trades I always look for on the break of structure, pullbacks, and then continuation patterns. So if it does start to push up, but then the move up looks very corrective, and then it makes like a lower high potentially at a Fibonacci retracement level, then you definitely, because of this 2 to 4 hour time frame break of structure, need to keep an eye out for a possible short. The trend is down on the daily, the trend is down on the weekly, and this thing easily, now that we got a break of structure, could continue the higher time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.